I am Dr. Bineke Henry Ono. I want to do a video using SPSS version 27 in running regression analysis. Now this is SPSS 27. You can see the variables there. You can see here we have phi. The cursor, you can see phi. You can see analyze, transform, graphs. Watch the cursor. This is analyze. Now the data have been queued in. Now you have queued in the data, you go to variable view. This is the variable view. Click on the variable view. This is what is going to pop up. This is what is going to pop up. Now click on the first var 0001. Double click it and type the variable name. That variable there is year. You type year. Click on the second variable, double click the variable that is industry. You put industry. The third one there is GDP. Double click on it. You put GDP. Now you go back to data view. You click data view as you can see here. You click on data view. You can see now that the variables have entered. You have year. You have industrial. You have GDP. Please, if you are typing something, you are typing the name of the variables, do not give space. If you give space, SPSS will not recognize it. Having imputed their variables, you can go to analyze. Want to do regression analysis, you go to analyze, click analyze. You have several variables there. This is descriptive statistics, Bayesian statistics. You see where you have regression. And there are so many regressions, automatic, linear modeling. You have linear regression model. Now you go to select linear regression model because that's what we're interested now. Now what is a dependent variable? In between this industrial and GDP. GDP depends on the number of industry. So this GDP becomes the dependent variable, while the independent variable is the industrial. Now choose the type of statistics you want to use. You click statistics. There you are going to see several things you want to do. You have model fit, yes. Estimate, yes. Confidence interval, check it at 95% here. If you want to use another value, you can use 90%. Put 90% here. But let us leave it as 95%. That is to say, we are only having 5% for error. You have arrow square change. You select it. You have covariance matrix, collinearity, diagnosis. You check all those ones you wish like checking. Now you select the plot which you want to do. Which plot do you want to do? Select histogram and normal plots. You continue. Options. What are your options? Don't bother about options, and we don't need to bootstrap. In that case, click OK. The analysis is popping up. Can you see the analysis? You can see the result as it has shown. So that is how we run regression analysis. The arrow square there is 0.108, which is a very low one. Arrow square adjusted is 0.05, also very low. Then let's go to ANOVA table. The ANOVA table here has a very small F value, 1.942. That is to say, in this kind of result, we are going to accept the null hypothesis because of the small value of F. That is to say, there is no significant difference between the means of the industrial variables of the population. So there is no significant difference. Now go down, you see the t value at 5.256 and what have you. This is the result. Why this happens to be the histogram. You can see the histogram, and this is the standard residual plot. Thank you, and God bless you. You will view this video on my YouTube platform. Thank you. When you get there, share, comment, like it, and ask your questions. Thank you, and God bless you.